Are you looking for a product that's amazing for the skin? It helps with wounds, burns, stretch marks, scarring, and more. This product is often called the longevity herb because it boosts brain health, improves circulation and vein health, helps to reduce anxiety and stress, and more. Today I'll show you how I incorporate it into my diet. And stay tuned for the DIY skincare at the end. Here's a little bit about me. Welcome to our health and wellness family. I am Charlene. I have been practicing natural and holistic health for over 25 years. I was an assistant vitamin manager. I have authored 2 health books, and I'm very grateful that I've helped thousands of people over the years to improve their health using healthy foods as natural medicine and natural supplements as needed. Let's grab a beautiful mug and let's begin. This amazing product is Cola. I am also going to use the antioxidant-rich matcha powder. I am also going to use the Miracle Tree moringa powder. Let's add about half a teaspoon or more of moringa powder to the mug. Next, we're going to add some matcha powder. Add about a half a teaspoon of matcha powder to the mug. Next, we're going to add about 1/3 of a teaspoon of Cola powder to the mug. This is optional. We're going to add some immune boosting mushroom powder to the mug. We're going to add about half a teaspoon. Here are some additional health benefits of Cola powder. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It may help with joint pain, improve kidney and liver health, and more. This has so many amazing and powerhouse herbs. Add some warm or hot water to the mug. Fill the mug to about half or 3/4 of the way. Stir to combine everything evenly. You want to give it a good stir so you don't have any lumps. Now we're going to add a dash of monk fruit sweetener. This is optional. We're going to add about half a teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we're going to add some organic coconut milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. Pour as much milk as you like. Stir to combine everything evenly. This is smooth, antioxidant powerhouse, delicious, and great for the skin. Try it and see for yourself. Please let me know in the comments if you've tried Cola before. This is optional. We're going to add a pinch of nutmeg. Add as much as you like. This is so tasty, warm, and comforting. I look forward to making this delicious warm beverage a few times a week. Now let's use Cola powder to make some DIYs to apply to the skin. I have a 9 natural and organic skincare line. I am going to use my honey oat rosehip rose face scrub and mask for this DIY recipe. Add some of the face scrub and mask to a bowl. For my body, I am going to use my Himalayan pink salt and organic sugar scrub to make this DIY. Add some of the body scrub to a bowl. Use less or more depending on the surface area you're going to cover. These scrubs are skin regenerative, help to brighten the skin, provide lots of vitamins and minerals, and give you a radiant looking complexion. Let's add some Powerhouse Gotu Kola powder to both of these scrubs. I decided to add a little bit more of the face scrub and mask to the bowl. Mix evenly. I am going to demonstrate on my hand, but normally I would apply this to my face. Always make sure that the skin is damp so it applies better. You can exfoliate in a circular motion and you can leave this on the skin for about 15 to 30 minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and rinse it off. Next, we're going to add my organic Rose Hip Rose face moisturizer to the skin. A little goes a long way. I would then massage this into the skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. This is so moisturizing and healing to the skin. I use this face moisturizer day and night. It's loaded with vitamin C and has skin regenerative properties. Now let's mix the DIY for the body. Stir to combine everything evenly. As always, make sure the skin is damp for easy application. I would then apply this to my body in a circular motion. For stretch mark repair, I would normally leave this on for about 15 minutes. Go ahead and rinse this off so you can moisturize the skin next. From my line, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize with this organic luxurious body butter. So soothing and healing to the skin. It has skin regenerative properties for a youthful and beautiful complexion. Go ahead and massage this into the skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. I use this to moisturize my body every day. This is hydrating, soothing, and healing to the skin. Try it and see. To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.